Okay, to get started, I just have some footage on my timeline that I'd like to add some cinematic black bars to. Let's begin by right click in the project panel and go to new item adjustment layer. The default setting should already match your timeline, so just hit OK to add it to the project panel. The reason we are using an adjustment layer is because you will often have multiple clips, and with an adjustment layer you can add the black bars to everything at once. It's just a lot easier. So now let's drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline and then drag it and so that its duration cover all the clips you want it to. Next go over to the effects panel and type crop into the search box. Drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer on your timeline. Then make sure your adjustment layer is still selected and go over to the crop effect in the effect controls. Change the crop's top value to 12 and change the crop's bottom value to 12 as well. I'm using 12 but you can use a bigger smaller percent depending on how big you want your black bars to be. Okay, and now as you can see I added these black bars over my footage. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.